welcome to Flextur. Just wanted to take a minute of your time and recap a little bit about what we've been talking about here. In this booth of ours this year, we featured our complete Cobot Welding cell system. And as a part of that, we have some of our fixturing on display here. This is a two-part fixture. This is another fixture that we've used with our traditional robotics in the past. If you look here at this table, this is a traditional pin and clamp table. This is a good solution if you're doing a single part. If you need to come back and set this up another time and just through human error, you put this clamp out of position, one hole or two holes, you're going to have interference and you're going to crash the robot. What we wanted to do here at Flextur was eliminate a lot of the potential for those crashes and those errors and make it as simple and as fast and effective and efficient as we could. You have the traditional pin and clamp all the way over to here, which is a 3D rendered fixture through a SolidWorks program. We basically can take a step file, wrap that file, and provide a fixture there. And the beauty of this is that it's very easily pneumatically clamped into position. I'm just going to open the table here. What I've done is release the fixture plate. So as you see, we have these clamps on a machine surface back here, and on the bottom of the fixture plate, these V's, if you can zoom in here, will align as the fixture gets pushed back. We have it in the front as well, so when these clamp systems close on it, it actually positions the fixture right back in within a thousandth, within a half a wire width. So I just visually align it over here, close the table, and the fixture is securely in place at the exact same position it was when we started. That's really an overview of what Flextur is doing here.